Alright, how about another Tuesday video for you? Last Tuesday I did a bunch of Harleys. Pretty boring video. But I've been wanting to do another driveway video. So here I am today. You see I've got my wash bucket in the back. That's not the purpose for this video. So just to start off though, I do like Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys is pretty good. I use this black light soap. It's made for a lot of black cars or darker finishes. The reason why I use it is I've noticed that it does cover up swirl marks pretty good. I just hit 19,000 miles on my 1-year-old bike, so the amount of dirt and debris, sand, grime just is nasty on my bike, and it's partly my fault. This is the first time I'm washing in, I don't know, forever. I usually just have the Harley dealership do it when I get my my oil changes and services done. So I'm gonna be washing it today, but the whole purpose for this video is I reached out to a company in one of my past videos for my Harley ST fender when I switched to this Clockworks by factorymatch.com. When I put this on there, I mentioned something about my front forks being all pitted. The guy that commented on that video was Tygate83. I'll tag him in this video. Shout out to you for giving me a recommendation, because I'm gonna try what you said. Let's start off. They started off with a note in here. So talked to him over the phone. It was a pleasure speaking to you about our line of motorcycle production products, and I wanted to get you this sample protection kits for you to try out on your Road Glide ST fork legs, because they are bad. Let me take you guys off here really quick. So I don't know if this is picking it up. Let's see. You see all those pits. Like, this is the perfect bike for this kit. So obviously when I went to Sturgis, this all got pitted pretty bad. Absolutely hate it. A lot of people complain about it, especially on these black forks. So figured I'd give it a try. Let me put y'all back up here. Let's see. He also says squeegee and mixing instructions come with each kit. However, you'll need a spray bottle. I got that. Johnson's baby soap, don't got that. I'll get it later. Bottle of alcohol, definitely have that. Make sure there's a clean surface. And then there's tons and tons of instructional videos on how to do this. So I'm not going to do an instructional video. This is mainly a first impression, a before and after, how much better it looks. He also gave you guys a discount code for whoever watches this and wants to try it. ForkIt69. I don't know where we're going with this. I don't know if it's FuckIt69 or ForkIt69. Kind of play on words, because obviously these front forks are kind of in a fuck it state. So ForkIt69 gets you 10% off for anyone obviously watching this video or close friends. I'll definitely be doing this. The guy's name is Todd Rounds. Talked to him over the phone. Straight up cool guy. In the box, I've got tons of stickers. There's this one that says CruzArmor, made in America by freaking Americans. But yeah, let's get this so you guys can see it. He gave me 4 stickers. Fucking love stickers. I don't know why. It's like the car guy in me. Whenever I order car parts or something like that, you always hope that there's a sticker in there, just like Rock Auto. I know some of you guys have probably ordered from Rock Auto before, where you guys open up the box and you're like, where's the fucking magnet? I know you guys love the magnets. Put them up on your fridge or your toolboxes and stuff. But yeah, stickers for days. Your QR code. He gave me a couple sheets in here, self-healing. So this paint protection film is self-healing. So paint protection film is came a long way over the past years. Usually it was just a vinyl wrap that went over something just to protect it. Now it's self-healing. If this is anything like the car stuff, it self-heals in the heat. So if it's a hot day and there's a couple small nicks in the vinyl, paint protection film, whatever, it will self-heal and basically remesh to each other and make it look smooth again. So that's awesome. Contains a top coat, urethane film, acrylic adhesive, and a liner. So it even shows a picture right here how flexible it is before it tears. The codes are pretty cool. Like, it looks like horns on their QR code, but then it's also got goggles on it, so that's kind of cool. Like, I didn't know you could add stuff to QR codes and them still work, but here's the QR code. If you guys want to read up on that, just scan it on the computer. The motto for this is protect new forks or restore pitted forks. So obviously I'm restoring pitted forks. Came with a kit. Here's the kit. I'll be sure to read all the instructions right after I hit the stop button. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my bike really quick and get her ready and get her done. It puts the lotion on the skin. Boom! Sun came out and bike is washed, so you can see truly how pitted my front forks are. This side's got deeper ones, so it's just ugly. Yeah, absolutely horrible. Disgusting. All right, I can't get over this already. So there's all the rock chips. This is my left side fork, obviously, and I've only done one side. I didn't even do the upper can yet, and this is just so much better. Like, you can see like small down here, but I'm fine with just using some touch-up on this little section than the whole thing, obviously, because touch-up paint just doesn't look right. But holy shit, so much better. One thing that I'm going to mention, I didn't see it in the videos. If you guys have a newer bike, these forks have some stickers. I don't know if I can get up in there. You see this sticker right in here? This one was a little bit further forward, so I had to peel that sticker off before I could apply this paint protection film. But already huge difference. Pitted and paint protection filmed. So honestly, if you guys are thinking about doing this, do it sooner than later, because obviously protection versus cover up. So strongly suggest this so far. World of difference. My bike doesn't look as bad. So, but goddamn, I hate hand washing this. So when I hand wash it, or wash it period, you can see all the bug guts go away and all the pits show even more. So bleh. So lower cans are on and everything, upper cans, lower forks, everything's on, and it made the front of this bike look pretty much brand new. There are some bubbles in here. Didn't get it out with the squeegee. It will come out over time once it dries up. But yeah, awesome kit. The guys at CruzArmor definitely did awesome with all like the QR codes and everything for like help videos, do it yourself, to make the spray to put this on, and then the hold stuff for the man, what am I thinking? To tack it down the alcohol mixture. Awesome website, awesome way it's set up, but this definitely brought the front of my bike back to life. So I'll definitely add everything into the description, links and everything. But yeah, badass. Fuck yeah. Here's the packaging it came in. Got that quick QR code straight to take you to the website. The way it was separated like that, left and right, was absolutely awesome. See how well it stands up the test of time. But I mean, it looks like it's a fresh restart. There are a couple, like I said, air bubbles, but most of that will come out. It's just like window tint. Over time, the bubbles will come out. But the difference that it made the front of this bike look is absolutely amazing. So once again, thank you Tygate83 for making this recommendation. I am absolutely in love with it. I imagine you have it on your bike also, if you even reply to this. But remember, if you guys are interested in this, I don't get anything for it. It's just a discount code that Todd provided for you guys. Like I said, it's FORKIT69, all one word. And that gets you 10% off of your purchase. So usually how I like it is if it at least covers shipping or the taxes, I'm happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely an awesome product so far. Strongly suggest it. But until next time, thanks again guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It's what drives me to keep going on these videos. So appreciate ya. Boop.